Hello and welcome to Kathleen Color. As a professional makeup artist, the top question I get is about foundation. In this Kathleen Color Lab series, I will be testing top brand foundations, such as Fenty, Urban Decay, Giorgio Armani, Lancôme Dior, and more, to see what they actually look like and how they wear without primer and setting powder. And if you are struggling with how to choose a foundation, check out my video in the notes below. Today I am testing the Vanish foundation from HOURGLASS. HOURGLASS is known for using luxury ingredients and packaging for their products. And this foundation claims that you don't need primer. But will it really work? Let's find out. It's the end of the day, and on the Kathleen Color Scale, I give this foundation a 3. The things I like about this foundation are that it gives a natural finish, it has full coverage, and it doesn't need primer. The things I don't like about this foundation are that it's thick, it's cakey, it creases, it oxidizes on the skin, it was very difficult to blend, and it settled into my fine lines. The skin type I recommend for this foundation is all skin types except dry. Thanks for watching. You can follow me on Instagram at Kathleen Color. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Remember, life is better in color.